In this video, I'll show you how to run a command automatically in Ubuntu using cronjobs. Let's begin. Step 1. Open your terminal. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open your terminal. Step 2. Edit your cronjobs. To do this, type this command crontab-e. The first time you run it, it might ask you to choose an editor. Just press Enter to use the default, usually Nano. Step 3. Add your job. Now let's add a new line at the bottom. Here's a simple example showing on the screen that runs a script every day at 5 p.m. Let me explain this. 0 is the minute. 17 is the hour. Asterisk means any day, any month, any weekday. /homeline is your script path. You can edit it according to your choice. Step 4. Save and exit. Press Ctrl plus X then Y, then Enter to save. Now, let's make sure your script is executable. Type this command showing on the screen. Done! Your script will now run daily at 5 p.m. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick Ubuntu tips.